Hey, we're back with Skills 1, Lesson 6. We are going to warm up by counting on your fingers again. I would do this 5 to 10 times, depending on how your child is doing with this. If they're struggling to continue putting their fingers up, I would do it more. If they're getting it every time, I think 2-3 times is sufficient for this activity. We're going to change up our how many noises this time. Instead of doing it with your fingers, you're going to stand up and sit down. So the noises can be anything that you want. Pick 2 or 3 things. Make sure that the child knows that to differentiate between the different noises, and then make sure that they're actually standing up and sitting for every noise that you make. Okay? If you would like to do it with cubes instead of sitting up or sitting down or like an object, you can do that. Okay? Here are the sentences. Like I said, you can do it as quick or as slow as your child can get it. And if they're struggling, go slower. If they're catching on, then you can try a little quicker. This page in your workbook, we already did this page and the next page. I would like for you to go ahead and complete it though. That way the students can get more practice copying marks. This little suggestion for you has took me a little bit to figure out. I want you to tell them to draw the mark in the box next to it. Or you can say copy the mark next to it. Okay, then we're going to practice again with our circles. You have some fun little snowmen this time, so you can do that. Keep everything in your workbook. We're going to be finishing up this workbook, I think, this week or next week. So keep everything, and then we'll see all your great work in school soon, okay?